Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. Mama wants to ride today and it's only 48 degrees. I can hardly believe it. Gonna get her out here today. I said I wasn't gonna make fun of her, but I just can't help myself.
Can you get my bike out?
You look like an Eskimo.
I'm trying to get all dressed here.
Yeah, what do you got on here?
Okay, I got gloves.
Okay.
Okay, I got 3 coats on.
3 coats.
Okay, I gotta have my bicycle coat because it's bright. Okay, then I got my bibs for snow. And I got my snow boots on.
She's ready to ride.
And I think it's 51.
All
And I'm
right.
cold.
She's cold.
I am cold.
Alrighty. All right, that's where I'm starting. 340. Add 6250 on there. Because it turned over by accident one day. I don't know how, but it did. And she's got 3,085 miles on her bike.
Yep.
So that's good. 3,085 miles.
Yeah, I did pretty good.
Yeah, not too bad. Especially over the winter time.
Right. Well, I didn't put them on the winter time.
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying you didn't put as many miles in. I only put like 1,000 in the winter time.
Well,
It's hard when it's cold out.
it is.
Alrighty, well,
All right.
our ride starts now.
No.
Right? You get out here in the wind, boy, it's a whole different ballgame. You don't think it's too cold, but it gets pretty rough in the wind. Yeah, I think I'm only going to do my 8 miles a day because that wind is pretty strong and cold. Oh, I wish spring would sprung. Spring would spring. Spring would be sprung. Or something like that. Riding with the wind now, it's a lot better. Oh, wow. A lot better when you ride with the wind. Riding against the wind, man, that's cold. I haven't put my earmuffs on. Oh, I long for spring. Yeah, this is one of the days that I should be dressed up like Mama. Sometimes the dog just sits alongside the road. See if I can get enough speed to get up this hill. Woo. No problemo. They made these little grooves here for the water drainage. We get a lot of rain here, so they got a machine that comes through here and they do that. That's how they make those grooves. Well, that was a nice ride. A little cool going out. Wasn't too bad coming back. Well, Ma, how was it?
Cold.
Cold?
Cold on the way, but on the way back it felt good because the sun was right at us.
And the wind was at our back mostly.
Yeah, so we really liked that.
All right, I did 8.3 miles. Did 8.3 miles. Got a few miles in today anyway. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and may the good Lord take a liking to you.
May the good Lord take a liking to you. Hallelujah. May He spread His blessings on your trail. Hallelujah. May He be your guide anywhere you ride, and be always your host when you're needing Him most. May the good Lord take a liking.